Hey YouTube, this is the first post of mine. I've been having trouble with this 2005 Nissan Maxima. It was given a P0300 random misfires, and I've messed with spark plugs and put new spark plugs in it. You have to pull the intake manifold off to get the back 3 plugs on this thing, because this is a V6. I've checked for vacuum leaks and all kinds of things, but it would only throw the P300 code after it had been warmed up. And then when I would drive it, when to tack it up to about 3,000 RPMs, it would start flashing the check engine light. Well, I finally found out what it was, and it's kind of odd. The coil, you look real close, if we can get it to focus in on this, see the hole in the side of the boot? It was causing it to randomly misfire. Why it wasn't showing that particular cylinder, I'm not sure, but this happens to have been the one that was in cylinder 1, which is back here, of course, to the firewall that side. When I pulled this up, I pulled this out, stuck it in this one to try it out. There, you can change it back from one to the other just to verify that this was the problem. To find out if it was, rather than buying one, I went and I had wrapped it up with electrical tape, and the misfire went away. So off to the parts store to get a new one. Thank you.